This video shows you how to create the HelloWorld program in Eclipse. So if Eclipse isn't already started, go ahead and start it now. We're using the workspace directory for the CISC-124 project. When Eclipse starts, you can see the CISC-124 project in the Package Explorer pane. Go ahead and expand the 124 project by clicking on the little arrow. You'll see that there's a directory called SRC. So that's where Eclipse keeps the Java source code files for the CISC-124 project. Here we want to make a new class called HelloWorld. So there's two ways to do it. You can use the file menu, choose the new button, and then choose class. Or you can right click on the SRC folder and then choose new class. And then you'll see the new Java class wizard. So the first thing you need to do is you need to pick a name for the class. So the name of our class is HelloWorld. In Java, by convention, class names begin with an uppercase letter. So we use capital H. And class names use camel case. So if there's more than one word in the name, every word begins with a capital letter. Our HelloWorld program has a main method. So you can go ahead and ask Eclipse to generate that main method for you, and then press finish. An editor will open up with a starting point for the HelloWorld class. You'll notice that this one, the HelloWorld class that Eclipse generates, is a little different than what you see in the notes, right? So the HelloWorld class that Eclipse generates is a public class, and the main method that it generates looks a little different too, but neither of those are particularly important in this example. So what we want to do is we want to put in the line that prints the string hello world. So go ahead and type in system.out.println and then the string hello world and the semicolon. Right. Now you may have noticed a few things there. Right. So if I leave the semicolon off, you'll see that Eclipse has a little red square here. And if you hover over the square, it actually tells you that there's a problem on this line. Right? It says there's a syntax error, insert a semicolon to complete a block statement. So Eclipse is simply telling you that there's a missing semicolon on this line. Right? You can also see that there is an X over in the gutter here. So go ahead and put the semicolon in. And then we go ahead and save our file. So save using the file menu or Control S. Once you've saved your program, you can run the program, assuming it has a main method. So the little green button here will run whatever is open. We'll try to run whatever program, or we'll try to run whatever class is open in the current editor. So if you click the run button, Eclipse will compile the Hello World class, and then it'll run it. So you'll see the output in a little terminal down here. And that's how you create the Hello World program in Eclipse.